Your question. If elected, how are you going to help the university's fight against vandalism on classroom walls, chairs, corridors, and the like? What will you do to make students get involved in the university's fight against vandalism? Again, if elected, how are you going to help the university's fight against vandalism on classroom walls, chairs, corridors, and the like? What will you do to make students get involved in the university's fight against vandalism?
Good afternoon, everyone. I believe that vandalism is a part of personal expression of oneself. So, in SPT, we should create a committee to look out for who does the vandalism and who does these issues here in the university. But we will not stop them from vandalizing. Instead, we will put up a vandalism wall so that kitang tanan mga Carolinians maka-express sa atong mga aligod-god, sa atong mga emotions, sa atong feelings. Because we are a free country, we are a free university, we are free thinking Carolinians. Thank you.
This is a question from a departmental council. For some students, they notice that their officers not doing their duties. In what ways will you show to us students that SSC is active?
This year's STAND theme is breaking the walls of apathy. So by strengthening the essence of the students and student organizations, then we could encourage the officers who are not involving themselves to be more involved. And then with proper information dissemination through the improved information dissemination platform of STAND, then they would be more informed and they can be involved. They can involve themselves more.
Your question is, what actions can you do to help freshman students adapt to college life? Again, what actions can you do to help freshman students adapt to college life?
Hello, good afternoon, fellow Carolinians. Here in Bicol, we have a platform, Students Fair, which would welcome the freshmen to our university. And also aside from that, we have a lot of projects such as Windows for Information, wherein we could tell them about the things that could be done in the university to promote their being active in the different organizations and things like that. Yes.
Here in Student Power Party, we have this project, a very sustaining project, a long-lived project called the Carolinian Freshman Starter Kit. This has been here in the university for 6 or 7 years. It is a booklet which gives freshmen Carolinians information about the university. And one thing about this booklet is that it has a jeepney matrix. This is just a glimpse of the Carolinian Starter Kit. Jeepney matrix telling the freshmen Carolinians, especially those coming from the provinces like me, how to go to TC, how to go to Ayala, and other places here in Cebu City. Thank you.
In addition to their answers, STAND has also this platform called Badayon, which welcomes the current students of the university and most especially the freshmen. Being an SSC counselor of the year 2011 to 2012, what do you think should you have not done?
I believe I've done everything I could to be one of the best counselors during our term. And I could really commend our term under Honorable Seth Fidarino, since it was a really great term of the Student Council. We worked as one student council without colors inside the SSC. I know the running president of STAND, Zach Selva, was part of the council that time, and he could attest to that as well. And the rest of the councilors of other parties. Thank you.
Kuya Nino, good afternoon. Last year, JPEA, an excellent organization, wasn't able to file for TOCSO, or the Outstanding Carolinian Campus Student Organization, because the financial statements were passed late. As the former treasurer during that time, what went wrong?
Alright, I don't want to bash to our officers of the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants. I'm not going to bash anyone in this answer, but I I know this was asked to me last year when I ran for president, but here is to clarify things. One of the officers coming, I believe, from your party did not give his financial statements on time. That is the reason why it wasn't submitted on time.
Fellow Carolinians, from what I know, from what I have heard from the former president of JPEA, that was not the case. I think it was a lack of leadership on someone's part that JPEA wasn't awarded TOCSO during that time. Do we deserve this kind of leadership, fellow Carolinians? You be the judge. Thank you.
I am. My question for you, since you're an incumbent councillor, congratulations to the IE Council for being one of the outstanding candidates. My question is, as an incumbent councillor, how could you, from 1 to 10, rate your performance? And what is your biggest, just a follow-up question, what is your biggest contribution to the Supreme City Council this school year?
I guess I'd have to rate it 9, and I do not only want to rate myself, I'd also like to rate my co-councilors during that time a 9. Because why 9? 9 because I know we have delivered and there will still be room for improvement. And as for the greatest contribution, I believe that in every project that the Supreme Student Council has delivered, I helped in my way, and the project, the Student Services Caravan, data-driven assessment is the biggest project I have contributed to the Carolinian community. Thank you.
For you, do you really believe that we Carolinians are apathetic? Yes or no?
I believe with Stan's theme, breaking the walls of apathy, then we think that we Carolinians have a problem on apathy. But that does not mean na dili na siya ma-solve. That's why Stand is strengthening the essence of the students and student organizations. And from yesterday, as we can see, sa Grand Rally, gamay ra jud kayo ang mga nangapil, na yung mga events na gamay ra kayo ang manghilabot or magapil-apil. Kaya tanaw lagi sa mga students na, ay wala bitong miapilana, dili na namin magapil-apil. But then, Stan, karon mo na nga, strengthen kita Stan sa students and student organizations for them to feel that they are involved.
So, yes. Fellow Carolinians, don't you think that it is an insult to call us apathetic? I mean, here in Tingog, we believe that we are not sad. Here in Tingog, we believe that everyone, naitagalingong states, preferences, and priorities. And as what I've said a while ago, it is a challenge for SSC to find ways to unite the South Carolinian community despite that differences or diversity. Let our diversity not be a problem, let it be a challenge.
Hi, Lucille. I believe all three parties have better information dissemination as their platform. You have your Wi-Fi, right? So can you tell the Carolinian what Wi-Fi is all about, and what's the difference between our information dissemination platform?
Thank you. Fellow Carolinians, Wi-Fi or Windows for information. In this platform, we do not only utilize FB, Twitter, and other social networks or other websites of the SSC. We also extend to Text Brigade and Live. Here in Tingog, we have found a certain system wherein we could text most or probably all the Carolinians. There is a system, and we will use this for better information dissemination. And when I say information dissemination, it's not just about what, where, when, and things like that. It's about telling the Carolinians everybody what their role is and making them understand that their role or contribution is important. That is windows for information.
Mga Carolinians, it is very ironic to know that this party, their party is pushing for better information dissemination wherein in the current administration, ingon sila, majority sila. Pero, isa na pag-ask lang for Pasko sa USC may change ang profile bit para ma-inform mga students here in the university. Mga Carolinians, you decide.
Good afternoon, Lucille.
Hello.
I would like to ask, the person who introduced you said that you will deliver, that you have delivered until the very end. But I would like to ask, when I needed help for the Student Services Caravan,
Fellow Carolinians,
Friends, excuse me. Silence, please. Let Lucille answer the question.
thank you. Mom, if you could recall, you showed me everything during the council. And I offered whatever it was that I could think of to you. And now the question is, how come that we did not see this caravan? Where is this caravan exactly? If you were planning to break the walls of apathy, then why are you not informing everybody about this caravan? Why are you not telling us about this? And isn't it also a question of your leadership as to ask what we could also do? I was waiting for you and I kept on telling you. I kept on telling you that I would.
Excuse me. Please let Miss Lucille finish her answer.
Yes, fellow Carolinians. This is the kind of leaders that you would want to vote for, people who do not know how to listen.
I guess I texted and messaged through FB all the SSC councilors, where in fact Honorable Erua and Honorable Abuha has responded to it. They talked to me in the sa Supreme Student Council sa PC and asked kung sa ilahang matabang, pero ako ban kay wala.
The question is, I think the word apathy has been controversial. How can you react about this apathy of looking everywhere or gamay na sa road? I'm addressing to people who's controversial about the word apathy.
Hi, thank you for your question. Wait. Sakto mong pagsabot na shibatag.
We would just like to clarify the question.
Sakto mong pagsabot na you're asking me on my opinion about these people here na Gamayra and then about apathy. Yes.
Yes.
Fellow, your name please?
Nigel.
Nigel? Nigel, thank you so much for your question. Like what I said a while ago, people have different tastes, priorities, and preferences. Perhaps at this moment, these people who stayed chose this. And for the others, maybe they have their own priorities at home or other. That's why, or other appointments and things like that. So that's why we have to find something which can unite these people. And we can find that if we work together as one. Do you get what I'm saying?